Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up some items from Home Depot. This video is going to be about the items that I picked up for my wife. Picked up a bunch of Milwaukee stuff, including the pack-out radio, some other things. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, picked up some stuff for my wife at Home Depot. I actually picked up a bunch of Milwaukee stuff. I got an SDS hammer, the pack-out radio, 4.5 inch to 5 inch angle grinder. I grabbed the right angle drill, some SDS plus accessories, some chisels and drill bits, an extension, dust extractor, pack-out radio. Those I grabbed at Walmart. Those were grabbed at Michael's Craft Supply. And we got some like soap and some tea, Milo's tea and lemonade, some Snyder's pretzels and stuff. But I wanted to do this video real quick. I will link my wife's channel up in the top corner, as well as I'll link this video that she does in the top corner as well if you guys want to go hear her input. Grabbed a bunch of stuff here, and this light's not really doing any good, so I'll turn it off. So purple cauliflower. My wife can tell you more about all this stuff. Crook neck heirloom squash. There's 1, 2, 3. Straight neck heirloom squash. This small container right here, which is a 6-pack of veggies. It is a green pea pack. It's a bunch of green peas, which my wife had growing, and we transplanted them, and they just didn't like it, and they died. And then we grabbed 2 of these containers of barbecue herbs. So, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. So, thyme is these guys right here. Oregano is these tall guys, and then the rosemary are these guys right here, and they're very fluorescent, or not fluorescent, fragrant, I'm sorry. Then grabbed 2 of these. They were $14 a piece. They're pretty large packs, as you can tell. Picked these up for my wife because it was like one of those things. I asked her if she wanted to go with me. I went to go pick up some tools. I actually went to go get the SDS. I got the 2715-20 1 1/8 SDS plus rotary hammer and the grinder. End up getting them for pretty cheap, and I'll talk about that on the next video because we're going to be going over these. The pack-out radio is pretty good. That's normally $329. But I just want to do a quick video. Mainly as a shout out to my wife. I kind of like promoting my wife's videos on my channel. I do appreciate it if you guys go give her a subscribe or a like, or check out some of her videos. She's doing a lot more garden videos than she is makeup videos, but she does do that and some other things. And grabbed another of these containers from these photo and craft keeper containers, as well as this guy right here from Michael's, because she filled up the entire one of these containers with a crap ton of packets of seeds. These containers, I thought they were neat. They're little lockable containers, and I told her she could use them for these, where when we buy like bell peppers and stuff in a container, or we buy bell peppers and stuff in the produce section, so you can take the seeds out of those, and instead of throwing the seeds away, I tell her to keep the seeds, dry them, and then plant them. We've actually gotten a few bell peppers and stuff from these seeds, and they're different. We have them labeled red bell, green bell, orange bell, but she can put them in those containers, which is kind of neat. But that's pretty much it. I will link her video to this video, because you guys will probably see my wife's video of this way before you see mine. This video is probably going to come out in September. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Just wanted to show you guys what we picked up for my wife. as well as it feeds me and my children. My wife's trying to get a large garden growing, and you guys can look on her channel for the garden updates because she does large garden tours and stuff. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video on my channel. Look forward to these coming out on the channel. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, and also tools link below at the top of the description down here. It will get you 10% off your order if you need it. Use it. If you don't, it's no big deal. If you do use it, it does kick me back 10% off my next order from Also Tools, as well as it does help me out bring tools to the channel for you guys. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!